the word play. To engage in games or recreational activities. Play a game, play outside, play with toys. The children loved to play a game after school. They went to play outside in the sunshine. My daughter likes to play with toys in her room, to perform on a musical instrument or produce music, play the piano, play a song, play music. She learned to play the piano at a young age, and he began to play a song he had written himself. And they love to play music together on weekends, to act in a theatrical production or role, play a role, play the lead, play a character. And she will play a role in the school play this semester. He was chosen to play the lead in the drama. An actor will play a character based on a real person. To participate in sports or competitive activities, play soccer, play in a match, play for a team. He likes to play soccer with his friends after class. They will play in a match against the rival school. And she used to play for a team in college, to use something in a manner of fun or creativity. Play with ideas, play with words, play with fire. The designer likes to play with ideas before finalizing a concept, and poets often play with words to create rhythm and meaning. Don't play with fire, it's dangerous. To cause a recording or media to function. Play a video, play a movie, play a recording. Let's play a video of the trip we took last summer. They decided to play a movie after dinner. Can you play a recording of the speech for the group?